Hello everybody, this is Chandni Mahajan from Chandni's World of Chandni's Tarot. First of all, I would like to thank you all for subscribing to my channel Chandni's Tarot and giving me so much love and affection. I would also like to appreciate you all for giving so much of time to view my videos. So, in my previous video, we saw that whether he or she is the one will marry us. But now, the question will be, will our financial problem will be resolved or not? So, anyone who is having a financial issue can just focus on any of these three cards and think of the question that whether their financial problems will be solved or not. On the card 1, we are having an obsidian ball. You can choose card 1. On the card 2, we are having a clear quartz pencil. On the card 3, we are having a beautiful bracelets of pearls, rubies and aventurine, a silver bracelet. So let's give us a 15-second time, and after that I'll reveal the cards to you. People, those who have chosen the card with the obsidian, whether their problems will be solved or not, yes, their financial problems will be solved with the self and true awakening. When till the time they are not able to awaken their willpower, their problems are going to be the same. They are going to have the same problem every time till the time they are not awakened. They are not their self power is not moved. On the second set of deck, we are having romantic partner and make music. Your problems will be solved only if you make music with the romantic partner. You need to make music, you need to sell music, you need to enjoy your life with your partner if you want to solve your problems. On the third card, where this bracelet is there, so answer to them is moving on to new location and fearlessly your problems will be solved. So yes, the problems will be solved. In the first case, it can be again, so it will be, it can be, and yes, with the change in location, it will again. So it is 100% yes, this is 80% yes, and it is something 85 to 90% yes. So go ahead and see your choice, make your choice. All the best, God bless you. Leave the comment in the leave your suggestion or idea in the comment section below. If you like the video, please put thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel. If you want me to do any video, put the suggestion in the comment box. Thanks once again. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Thank you.